Top 10 Roblox games. Let's see, come on, loading, let's see. Fructis. 5. Let's see. Adopt you. Free. Come on, let's see. Yogi Bear. 10. I know Yogi Bear. The cartoons. Sword. 9. Is 8, sorry, 8. Welcome to Luxembourg. 4. Pocahontas. 2. Hiding in the bushes. 9. Let's see. Hammer. 7. Survivor. 6. And number 1, the best Roblox game is Tower of the Bell.